I am Swami Vishwanand, Mother of the World, appointed by God. Every day God is invite us some spiritual souls at His house and teaches us excellent spiritual lessons, and after that God always instruct us to convey such type of messages to all humanity and pleasureful lives for all living beings in seven beautiful worlds, so that all living beings can get pleasureful life. Today, early in the morning, 3 to 5, God has invited us and teaches us excellent lessons about this subject, and just I am conveying this message from house of the God. Today we will understand about instructions about positive persons and positivities, its roles in these beautiful worlds, how such positive persons and all types of positivities help to achieve ultimate goals of humanity, and which are developments in spirituality and materialistic. Then people can get pleasureful and happy lives, ultimate meet with God. Today we will understand about these subjects. Introductions about positive persons and all types of positivities. As per God's plan, some selected, trained, and qualified persons appointed by God in seven beautiful worlds for perform many noble works. Such spiritual messengers comes in this phenomenal world and establishing particular religions and teaches spiritual practices, some spiritual techniques, some spiritual ideas, some spiritual systems, and shows spiritual paths which leads to God. All such positive persons also do hard works. By their own hard works, some human values added by God in their such persons' lives. All such positive persons spread spiritualities, knowledges in human lives. Such positive persons spread positivities and remove negativities from the worlds. Such positive persons give happiness, solve many problems, so that all living beings can get pleasureful lives. Now, roles of positive persons in and positivities in the world. Positive persons have full all types of knowledges and powers gifted by God to them. So, such positive persons always teaches to people best ways and systems of art of happy living lives. Such positive persons are perform their duties free of charge and unconditionally. Such positive persons always works for remove all types of negativities and teaches some best techniques to people for development of spiritually and materialistics. Some spiritual masters establish religions thoughts in many parts of world as per requirements, then solve all types of problems faces by people. Some spiritual persons works for renovate reforms of religions practices when required. Positive persons always implement all noble plans of God among people. So people can say that such positive persons are instruments and companions of God. God always approve all requests of such spiritual and enlightened friends of God. Third, how ultimate goals of humanity and all living beings can be achieved. The positive persons teaches to people of spiritual practices for enlightenment and generate spiritual energy in human hearts, so they can remove all problems, pains, clean up all negativities from societies, so all people can live together happily. Such spiritual positive persons can prevent or stops wars and world wars too by God gifted spiritual powers. Such positive persons make possible for all living beings pleasureful lives, and by spiritual powers people can meet with God. Those are ultimate goals for all living beings in seven beautiful worlds. Now I am requesting all human beings, all people of the world, please share your noble experiences, noble ideas, noble thoughts, noble knowledge and noble techniques to me on my WhatsApp number and my Facebook ID as a Swami Vishwa Anand. I will spread your experiences in each and every corner of the world so that people can get benefited. So please share your experiences on my WhatsApp number is +91 9898 375 375. I am praying to Almighty God for all living beings in the world. Oh God, please make your blessing showers, your powerful showers, your knowledgeful showers on all living beings in the world, so that we can get pleasureful life and we can now come out from the coronavirus pandemic and panic situation in this world. So, oh God, please make your showers, your blessing showers on all living beings in the world. I am also here praying to God for all living beings in the world must be happy, healthy, wealthy and full of happiness. Now we will meet from time to time. I am just conveying these spiritual messages which have been received from the house of the God. Such type of messages not come from my own mind, but such type of great messages always received and teaches from the house of the God, so that I am just as a servant of God and as a servant of all living beings in seven beautiful world. I am performing my humble duty as a servant of you all. Goodbye. We will meet next meeting. Up to that meeting, God bless. Goodbye. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.